President Trump's announcement that the U.S. would halt funding to the World Health Organization draws criticism. The biggest U.S. airlines and the Treasury reach an agreement in principle on financial aid. And South Korea experiments with holding an election during a pandemic. I'm Shelby Holliday, and here's what you need to know today.
We have an investigation underway on the World Health Organization. We will find out exactly what went on.
President Trump's announcement that the U.S. would freeze funding to the WHO has drawn criticism from some health experts, politicians, and other personalities, with Bill Gates saying such a move during a major health crisis is as dangerous as it sounds. Democratic Senator Chris Murphy accused Trump of attempting to deflect attention from his fatal mishandling of this crisis. United Nations Chief Antonio Guterres denounced the cut and said now is not the right time to look into how the virus spread so rapidly. Trump faulted the UN agency for, in his view, acting too slowly and making mistakes in managing the pandemic. A senior administration official said the U.S. provided more than $450 million to the WHO in the 2019 fiscal year. U.S. politicians and the White House have disagreed over whether Trump can withhold WHO funds without congressional approval. Officials said 10 of the 12 biggest U.S. airlines agreed to the terms of a rescue package with the Treasury Department. The financial aid includes $25 billion to help prevent layoffs and allow employees to continue receiving benefits. Delta, United, American, and others have been hit hard by the pandemic and slashed flights by upward of 70%. The money will come with certain conditions. For example, airlines won't be allowed to lay off or furlough workers involuntarily until October. South Korea moved ahead with its national legislative election today, the first in a country that was deeply hit by the pandemic. Voters were required to stand 3 feet apart at tape-marked spots, get their temperatures taken, then sanitize their hands and wear gloves before casting their votes. President Moon Jae-in's popularity has surged after his nation's successful coronavirus response, and his party is expected to keep control of the National Assembly.